Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add emojis on your server, Discord server, actually on your text channels and voice channels. So here is how. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to learn how to do it. So first, let's open our Chrome like this and search for emoji Unicode tables like this, and I'll open the first link here, and from here you can choose every emoji that you want to put on your server. A hand, a check mark, question mark, plus, minus, ambulance car, I don't know, ABC, everything. You can put it everything. And let's say we wanna get this emoji. If you wanna get some emoji, just mark it like this. I mean, check it like this, and then click click with the right click on your mouse and click on copy. Or you can hold Control and C on your keyboard in the same time, and you know that's a shortcut for hotkey for copy. So now go on your server, and here click on edit channel, and here you can paste your emoji. But I don't know why it's not working now. Oh, now it's working. Yeah, you can just hold Control and V on your keyboard, and now it's pasting. And when you click on Save Changes, as you can see, now you have emoji on your text channel. You can do the same with the voice channels. You can do the same here, as you can see. And yeah, that's it how to add emojis on your text channels, voice channels in your Discord server. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give a like, and also don't be hesitant to leave a comment. If you have some problems, if you have some questions, you can comment down below the video. I'll try to respond in a few days. And yep, see you next video. Bye.